welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to make our homemade milkshake with only 2 ingredients, the famous milkshake you take in restaurants. And yeah, so expensively you can make it at home with only 2 ingredients. And our 2 ingredients are, we have ice cream and milk. As you hear the word milkshake. So we have a blender. We're going to blend this all together. We're going to put in our milk. You can see. Our milk. And then this is mixed with a scoop of ice cream. I'm using vanilla ice cream. This is our scoop, as you can see. Yeah. And we are going to blend this in a minute. Our milkshake will be ready. Yeah, that is our milkshake. It's already mixed. Yeah, and it will be ready in like a minute. So as we finished blending our milkshake and it's ready, so we're just going to transfer it to a glass. I put some hazelnut cocoa on it in the ground. Just add taste and design to our milkshake. And it's ready. Now we can transfer it to our glass. First, we're going to put in some ice cubes, as you can see. Yeah, to make it cold to that level as you want. And then you transfer the milkshake too. Yeah. And our milkshake is ready. Just adding topping and flavoring to it. As you can see, now our milkshake is ready. Whipping cream on it. And that's our ready milkshake, as you can see. Yeah, ready to drink. So you can just take your milkshake, homemade, with only 2 ingredients, ice cream and milk. Yeah, our ready milkshake, as you can see. You can now sip and take a glass of it. Yeah. Our milkshake. In just 1 minute you have your milkshake, homemade. Thank you. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I always post videos every week. Sundays and Thursdays I always post videos, so please click and subscribe and like the videos. Leave a comment, try these recipes at home and leave comments to me. Thank you again, and this is our homemade milkshake.